Hi all. Today we are going to see the topic about polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. Inheritance let us inherit attributes and methods from other class. Polymorphism uses those methods to perform different tasks. A single method can perform different tasks, that is polymorphism. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways. For example, think of a superclass called animal that has a method called animal sound. Subclasses of animal could be pigs, cat, dog, birds, and they also have their own implementation of an animal sound. The pig oinks, the cat meows, etc. So here main class is animal. Uh, for that animal class we just create a method name animal sound. From that animal we just extend the subclass, that is pig. Then the same method name will be implemented here also, and from that animal we can create another subclass dog, and that sound dot sound is also here. So in this example, the class main class is like this. For implementing all those class, and we have to create an object, that is animal, my animal equal to new animal. So in that object we just define the classes which we already did, the main class, super class and subclass. So finally the output is the animal makes a sound, the pig says PV, the dog says bow bow. So Java, this keyword, public class main, this is the sample program for this keyword. So public class main int x, here variable declaration is present here, int x, constructor with a parameter. Here we just used parameterized constructor. So public main of int x is a passing parameter. So this dot x equal to x means we can't change that particular variable for that class. So call the constructor. When we call the constructor, we just define the value for that particular variable which we defined by this keyword. So then we create an object for that class main, my object equal to new main. In that creating object itself we call the parameters, we call the value of parameters 5. So the output is 5. This definition and usage. This keyword refers to the current object in a method or constructor. So the most common use of this keyword is to eliminate the confusion between class attributes and parameters with the same name. Because a class attribute is shadowed by a method or constructor parameter. If you omit the keyword in the example above, the output will be empty instead of 5. This can be used to invoke current class constructor, invoke current class method, return the current class object, pass an argument in the method call, pass an argument in the constructor call. How to use inheritance in Java? The extend keyword is used for inheritance in Java. Using the extends keyword indicates you are derived from an existing class. In other words, extends refers to increased functionality. Syntax: class derived class extend base class. So methods and fields. In the below example of inheritance, class bicycle is a base class, class mountain bike is a derived class. That extends bicycle class, and class test is a driver class to run the program. So this is the sample of the program which illustrates the inheritance concept. And class bicycle is a class name. The bicycle class has two fields, gear and speed. The bicycle class has one constructor, that is public bicycle. We just used here parameterized constructor, and this dot gear, here we just used this keyword. The bicycle class has three methods. One is apply brake, speed up, and toString. Apply brake in the sense we just decrease the speed, and speed up in the sense we just increase the speed, and toString is method to print information of bicycle. So another example of bicycle is mountain bike. The mountain bike class is extended from bicycle. and the mountain bike subclass adds one more field, it's seat height. Mountain bike is added in this constructor. We just add one more parameters, it's start height and seat height. So invoking base class constructor, and the mountain bike subclass adds one more method, it's set height. So set height is equal to new value overriding to string method of bicycle to print more information. So override public string to string, return the values, and driver class. Thank you.